Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sharanteja. I am from CSC AML second semester. Today, my topic is about waterline corrosion. Waterline corrosion is a significant issue that affects various plumbing systems, particularly in residential and industrial settings. It occurs when a portion of material is submerged in water while another part is exposed to air, leading to localized corrosion. Understanding the effects, causes, and prevention strategies is crucial for maintaining the integrity of plumbing systems and ensuring water quality. Causes of waterline corrosion: differential erosion cells, in short DACs. Waterline corrosion is often driven by the formation of DACs. When different parts of a metal surface have varying oxygen levels, it creates an electrochemical reaction. The area with lower oxygen becomes anodic, where oxidation occurs, while the area with higher oxygen becomes cathode, where reduction occurs. This difference leads to localized corrosion. Chemical reaction: the interaction between the pipe material and water can lead to corrosion, especially in the presence of aggressive water conditions. For instance, water with low pH can accelerate the corrosion of metals like copper and steel. Additionally, the presence of dissolved salts and other chemicals can exhibit the problem. Physical factors: high water velocity can cause hydraulic wave, which can strip protective casting from pipes and expose bare metal to corrosive elements. Sediment buildup and poor plumbing practices can also contribute to corrosion by creating stagnant areas where corrosion can thrive. Electrical grounding issues: improve grounding of electrical appliances connected to copper piping can lead to galvanic corrosion. This occurs when two dissimilar materials are in contact in the presence of an electrolyte like water, leading to accelerated corrosion of one of the metals. Effects of waterline corrosion: visible stains. Homeowners may notice blue or green stains on fixtures, which are indicative to copper corrosion. These stains can be unsightly and may sign underlying pumping issues. Pipe failure. Over time, corrosion can lead to significant damage and evaluate failure to plumbing systems. This can result in leaks, water damage, and costly repairs. Water quality issues. Corrosion can affect the quality of water, potentially introducing harmful substances such as lead and copper into drinking water. This poses health risks to occupants and can lead to regulate issues for properly property owners. Factors influencing waterline corrosion: water chemistry, material type, temperature and flow, biofouling. Prevention strategies: regular inspections. Conducting regular inspections of waterline by inclined plumbs. Licensed plumbers can help identify early signs of corrosion. This protective approach can prevent more extensive damage and costly repairs. Grounding particles. Ensuring that all electrical appliances are properly grounded can minimize the risk of galvanic corrosion. This is particularly important in homes with mixed metal plumbing systems. Water quality testing. Regular testing the pH and corrosiveness of water can help identify potential issues. If water is found to be aggressive, treatment options such as neutralization or the use of corrosion inhibitors can be implemented. Maintenance. Keeping plumbing systems clean and free for blockage is essential. Regular flushing the system and removing sediment can be reduce the risk of corrosion. Additionally, using protective coatings on pipes can provide an extra layer of defense. Corrosion. Now let's talk about corrosion. What is corrosion? Waterline corrosion is a critical issue that can lead to significant problems in plumbing system, affecting both the integrity of the pipes and the quality of water. By understanding the causes and effects of corrosion, as well as implementing effective prevention strategies, homeowners and property managers can protect their plumbing system and ensure safe, clean water for all users. Regular maintenance and protective measures are key to maintain the risks associated with waterline corrosion. Now let's talk about preventing strategies. We can prevent pipelines to becoming or getting corroded. We can check regularly for any corrosion has occurred, and grounding practices, water quality testing, maintenance. These are some prevention strategies that we can follow when we are using pipelines in the nearby waters. We can use coatings for the pipelines that are kept in water or exposed to air in between. We can use them as a protective layer. Case studies, real world examples. Offshore platforms. Like I said, we can coat any coatings on the pipelines or any metal materials that are on offshore. We can protect the pipelines or any metals. Summary and best practices. Understand mechanism, material and coatings, monitor regularly, maintaining productivity. We have to make sure that we are make sure that we are particular about these 5 points, sorry, 4 points, that we have to uh, check, or ensure these points are implementing in our daily lives. Like anybody can use, industrialists and homeowners can use these strategies by understanding mechanism and materials and coating, monitoring regularly, maintaining productivity. Maintaining productivity means we have to maintain the metal by coating some protective layers, something like that, and monitor regularly. We can monitor the pipelines regularly as a homeowners, and we can't regularly monitor as an industrialist. It might be some delay, I mean drag in that. We can't do that regular monitoring, but we can monitor some days or few months after. We can recoat the paint or clean the rusted area, and understanding the mechanism, how the uh, as I said before, how the corrosion occurs. If any some part of, for example, some part of a ship is corroded, then then if we won't check that part of the particular part of the ship, then it will collapse. I mean, it will reach the top of the ship, and then the ship won't work, as we all know. And maintaining and coating, this is the major thing that we have to maintain while or it is in the industrial setting. This is a part that is very particular to the industrialists, that they coat the better material for their ships. Thank you for listening me patiently. Thank you.